coexist. I, who does not possess, am beautiful. I, who can give everything, am beautiful. You, who does not possess, are beautiful. You, who can give everything, are beautiful. We, who do not seek from each other, are beautiful. We, who help each other, are beautiful. We are always together. We are beautiful. We can do together. We are beautiful. We, who transform pain to happiness, are beautiful. We, who transform impure to pure, are beautiful. We, who believe in each other, are beautiful. We, who love nature, are beautiful. We, who transform from incompletion to completion, are beautiful. People are beautiful. Nature is beautiful. The universe is beautiful. Coexistence is heaven.